Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Y, and today I want to share something really important about my approach to the content I create. You might notice a lot of posts online focus on fighting the system or pushing aggressive agendas, but that's not what I'm about. My mission is to help you understand the truth behind complex topics, not to fight, but to protect yourself. Whether it's psychology, law, finance, or current events, I want to give you clear, honest insights without the hype or sensationalism. I cover things like mental health and emotional resilience, navigating legal systems and lawyer-judge dynamics, smart financial choices, and unbiased news analysis. It's all about empowering you with real knowledge so you can make informed decisions and stay strong in any situation. So if you want content that helps you see beyond the noise and equips you with practical wisdom, you're in the right place. Check out my blogs and vlogs for deep dives, and don't hesitate to ask questions or share your thoughts. Let's build a community focused on understanding, self-protection, and strength. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance, .legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central platform Truality.Finance.